Well, it's about 6:30 in the morning. Slept fairly well. Got down to about 45 according to my weather app. But I stayed warm enough. I just saw some deer right there. So I'm gonna walk over there and see if they're around the corner. Yep, there's the deer right there. They're checking me out. Actually coming towards me. They just figured out I was human. Took off running. And away they go. Well, I had to break out the hot cocoa. I'm going to have some of this for breakfast. I've already had some blackberries, some different leaves and flowers. So now it's time for the good part. Well, the blackberries were really good, but some Swiss Miss milk chocolate. Got to get this fire going again. Everything is soaking wet, soaking wet. My tripod was dripping water. It's just, my feet are soaking wet already, so see what I can get going. Well, I'm all packed up, except for one thing. I forgot to take my ridge line down. Good thing I noticed before I left. This is the Texas redbud tree. Puts out beautiful pink to reddish flowers. These are what the leaves look like. The seed pods are edible, actually nutritious. They say don't eat the seeds, but just the pods themselves, especially when they're young. Now the flowers taste good. These are older pods, so they don't taste as good, but still edible. Oh, there it is. Got a little bit of a taste in there. These young leaves are edible also. Well, all the leaves are, but the young ones are going to be easier to chew, better tasting. Not very delicious though. It's a good snack when you're on the go. Forgot my bathing suit. You know, you see a tree like this, it's got these branches coming off of it. But if you look closer, those are not branches from the tree, they're branches from a vine growing around the tree. That's actually poison ivy. Leaves of 3, let it be. See there? Got 3 leaflets. It's basically all that is poison ivy, and it's growing off of a limb that's coming off a vine on the tree. You can see the smaller leaves down at the on the ground there. But that's poison ivy, and when it gets in these trees, it starts looking like one of the tree limbs. Bad news if you touch it too much. Take a look at that. Snake skin there. It's kind of crispy. The head's missing. Makes it hard to identify. It has keeled scales, so it could be a variety of snakes. There's no pattern left that I can see. All I know is it was pretty fat, had keeled scales. Ugh. Just up ahead there is where I was doing my archery yesterday. I think I'll go back there. Some more archery. Man, it's beautiful out here. doesn't want to move. There's that stinging tail. Don't crawl on me. Alright, where'd he go? I guess he didn't crawl on me. Oh, yeah, there he is. Slowly improving, slowly. I'm still wanting to grab it with my left hand though. But well, it's quite the adjustment. I used to hold the bow with my left hand. Now I hold it with my right hand and aim with my left eye. It's going to take a lot more practice, but that's what it's all about. Practicing, using your gear, learning new things, enjoying the outdoors. So get out there and do that. Thanks for watching Survival Theory. Please share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I got to get back to practicing. Remember, get out and use your gear. I'm not even in the frame, am I? Please share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ooh, you like the arrow effect?